Hey YouTube, this is BishBot33, and today I am going to tell you, not show you, how to kick people off of Xbox Live. And I did not hack my Xbox, and I learned this from a teammate on my baseball team, so I'm going to try to explain it as good as I can. First, when you go to report, you hit report for offensive emblem. Then you are done with that. You hit XYB, XYB, XYB. And then you continue, but you only hit XYB 3 times. And after that, you go to cheating and hit XYB, XYB, XYB. And after that, the person or player should be kicked off of Xbox Live. And that's it all.